Hi, my name is Hollie Saunders and I'm a graduate structural engineer at SWJ Consulting. Today I want to talk to you about how the construction industry can help achieve the UN sustainability goals by 2050. Sustainability is a very broad topic, so I have honed in on a couple of core ideas. Firstly, considering the full life cycle of the building. Full life cycle assessments are something already being carried out on a lot of construction projects. And basically, full life cycle assessment is split up into 5 main stages. This is production of material, construction, in use, end of life, and reuse/repurpose. The construction industry, when they first were looking at sustainability, they only thought about the service life, and therefore they become really good at reducing the operational energy of the building. And this will only be furthered by the swap to renewable energy sources. And so what is now being more considered is embodied energy. And embodied energy is basically the other 4 stages of a life cycle assessment. So what energy is put into the materials, what energy is being put into the construction, and how we can reduce that. Ways to reduce the embodied energy of the building differ from project to project. However, one way to significantly reduce the embodied energy of a project is to reuse or retrofit an existing building. This will almost completely eliminate the production of materials stage and also take away the end of life stage of the existing project, therefore significantly reducing the embodied energy and improving the life cycle assessment. Number 2 is net positivity. Net zero is a very common term now in the construction industry, and it basically means that the project will be outputting as much energy as has been input. However, this only considers the building itself or the project itself. Net positivity is the idea that you consider the surrounding environment. For example, how will people get to that building? Is it via public transport or do they need a car to get there? Also, is it being built on a greenfield site or a brownfield site? The building itself can have a net zero status. However, if the building is in the middle of nowhere and everyone needs to drive to get to it and it's being built on a greenfield site, it will always be creating a negative environmental impact indirectly. The aim is to look at the project in a more holistic way. So this is done at the very early design stages. If it's possible, definitely try and implement these sorts of decisions into the project. However, it's something that's not always feasible. Thirdly, BIM integration. BIM stands for Building Information Modelling, and the aim is to provide a digital model that all teams working on a construction project can access, and you can redesign sections with ease. The point is to allow more fluency between all teams, and this can help in effective communication between the architects, engineers, and on-site workers. Even though this seems like a really simple idea, if it is done well, it can increase the efficiency of a project and help reduce the wastage, time, and money through miscommunications. Lastly, green rating systems. All the ideas I have already discussed are really great to consider and implement in projects. However, it is also important to document these positive changes. Green rating systems are a way to do this through a quantifiable way. And if sustainability is a key driver in your project, the green rating systems can help outline what you want to achieve and also help you stay on track with those aims and objectives of a project. For example, BREEAM is a very well-known green rating system within the UK, and it's developed through the years to include more certifications for a wide variety of projects. However, some people think BREEAM can feel more like you're jumping through hoops just to gain credits rather than maybe implementing the best decisions in terms of sustainability. If you think this is true within a project, maybe you want to look at other green rating systems that are emerging, such as Energy Star or Green Building Index. If a rating system is to be included within a project, make sure the accreditations match what you want to achieve to produce the best possible outcome for your project. Thank you for taking the time to listen to some of my views on how we can create a more sustainable future within the construction industry.